Menstruation is something every woman loves and hates. It's a magical phenomenon in the female body, because your menstrual cycle is your body's preparation for pregnancy. It's usually a 28-day cycle. From the moment a woman is born, the 2 million follicles in her body are dormant. When a girl reaches the age of 10 to 15, she may have her first period. At first, the female brain releases two hormones, estrogen and luteinizing hormone. These two hormones are present to stimulate the development of follicles so that the uterus is ready for conception. Then the uterus receives the message and thickens its lining. The uterus is ready to provide the necessary environment for the fertilized egg to settle in the womb. On day 7, the egg also releases a large amount of estrogen. Under the effect of the large amount of estrogen, the woman will